Good evening, everyone. We're first going to start off with what the roads look like right now across South Central Kentucky, and they are hard at work trying to clean up these roads, and they're doing a good job. You do see along Russellville Road there that it is pretty clear there, even though you still need to take precautions when you head out driving. And really, ice might be a little bit of a factor at some point during the night, but closer to the morning, around 8 a.m. or so, the temperature will be warm enough. Won't really be too bad. So just remember to drive safe, and ice won't really be too much of a huge issue for tomorrow morning. And as we can see, our temperature right now sitting at about 29 degrees. So this is going to continuously go up overnight. Actually, we're going to see those temperatures rise overnight as opposed to going down, which is definitely going to be very different from what we are used to. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look over into Tompkinsville. And right now, they're sitting at 30 degrees. They had a good bit of snow as well. They had anywhere between 4 and 5 inches there. It looks like their roads should be getting cleared overnight as well. And as we move on to our current temperatures around the rest of the region, a little bit of variation as far as the temperatures are concerned. You do see some spots still in the 30s, like Franklin down to the south, but you also have some spots already down to the mid-20s. Notice E-Town at 26 and Hardinsburg up there at about 27 degrees. Now, if we go ahead and put these temperatures into motion overnight, you see that the temperature did go up. Notice the time here, 7:30 a.m. Right now, we're sitting at 29, and we'll be up to 36 after sunrise at that point, and it will continue to go up over the afternoon hours as well. We could get as high as 40 degrees. It's really going to depend on how that rain is going to behave tomorrow, and I'll show you a little bit on that rain. But as far as highs are concerned, I'd say a safe bet is anywhere between 37 and 40 degrees. So it doesn't really seem like ice in the afternoon or even snow is going to be too much of an issue. Now, as we move on into the night, as you can see, really not getting down to the freezing point until the early morning on Tuesday. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at our watches and warnings right now, we do have a winter storm warning in effect for most counties in the area, and that's only going to be lasting until about 9 a.m. tomorrow. And as far as the radar is concerned, a lot of that snow is beginning to push off towards the east, and we're starting to get a wintry mix right now, right ahead of where that rain is going to come. Let's go ahead and zoom out. You can see a good bit of this rain going to begin to move into our area from the south, and that's going to be the case for the next couple days. And we could get as much as maybe 1 to 2 inches associated with that. Now, let's go ahead and put this into motion. Notice the time here, about 4:30 a.m. Could have a little bit of a wintry mix in it at this point, but chances are mostly rain, and that will be the case for the afternoon as well. And as we keep on pushing this through, we might get a small break in between Monday and Tuesday from the rain. That's going to be the first system leaving and a second system coming on in. And as you can see, just really rain for us associated with it. We could see a little bit of snow at the beginning and tail end of that storm, but not really too much for us. Now, as we go ahead and move through Tuesday, you can see cloudy skies for Wednesday, but little chance of rain as we move on into the afternoon. Now, how much rain can we see with this system? Anywhere from probably half an inch all the way up to maybe 1.5 inches at that point. And now if we go ahead and take a look into tonight's forecast, we're expecting 32 for a low, and that's going to keep on going up. As you saw, we're at 29 right now, so in a few hours, we'll go ahead and call that the low. We'll reach about 32 degrees, and we'll have that temperature continuously moving on up to the upper 30s by tomorrow. And for your hometown forecast, like I mentioned, you could have a high anywhere between 37 and 40 degrees, and that also includes Bowling Green. As you can see, about 37 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. We'll have rain and snow in the early part of the day, and then rain showers in the later part of the day. I'm going to go ahead and show you your 7-day forecast. Looking into Monday, about an 80% chance of snow and rain in the early part of the day, then all rain after that. We have rain on Tuesday, and check out the temperatures to end the week in the 60s, 66 by Friday, and in the lower 60s for your weekend. We will have sports with Dominique coming up next.